Let's make a frozen pumpkin spice mudslide daiquiri. I don't really know. It's pumpkin spice and it's an alcoholic beverage. You'll need about a half a cup of frozen or cold pumpkin puree, preferably frozen, half of a frozen banana, and a surprise ingredient, 1 tablespoon of raisins. Trust me, they complement the dark rum. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, a half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, 2 ounces of dark rum, 1 ounce of bourbon, a dollop of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Blend until smooth. This makes about 2 serving sizes. You could always double this up. If you want to garnish, use maple syrup around the rim and add brown sugar. You could also use freshly grated nutmeg. For extra maple booziness, add a teaspoon of maple syrup mixed with a splash of rum, or a splash of bourbon, or a splash of both. Do you. It's your world. This is the perfect drink to replace dessert at the end of a meal. I hope you enjoyed this. Watch out for my next one, and I'll see you soon. Bye!